Welcome back. Now we are going to solve this very short answer questions. Then seventh is read the clues and fill up the blanks given below each of them. First is honeybees suck from flower, suck nectar. nectar, nectar. Bees animals which eat other animals are called carnivorous. Carnivorous, carnivorous. C. Animals which eat only plants and plant products, herbivorous. While the D is animals which eat both plants and animals can be said as omnivorous. Answers are given also. Nectar, carnivorous, herbivorous, omnivorous. Eighth, why do boiled seeds fail to sprout? Answer is boiling kills the seeds. Because when we boil a seed, a chemical change happens within it. उसके अंदर एक chemical change हो जाता है जो कि उसको एबल नहीं बनाता, जो उसकी एबिलिटी को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है ऑफ स्प्राउटिंग. उगने की जो क्षमता होती है उसमें सीड में, उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है एक केमिकल चेंज करके. वेयर डू बीज स्टोर हनी? इन बी हाइव्स. जो उनके कहते हैं मधुमक्खी का छत्ता, उसको बी हाइव्स कहते हैं. तो बी हाइव्स में वो हनी को स्टोर करती हैं. 10th is name two ingredients in our food that are not obtained from plants or animals. And mention one source for each ingredient. और ऐसे दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स को आपको बताना जो कि हमें प्लांट या एनिमल से नहीं मिलते, और उनका अगर वो प्लांट और एनिमल से नहीं मिलते तो कहाँ से मिलते हैं उनके सोर्स. आंसर दिया हुआ है साल्ट फ्रॉम सी वाटर एंड रॉक्स. जो काला नमक होता है ब्लैक सॉल्ट, एंड सेधा नमक जिसे हम कहते हैं रॉक सॉल्ट उसको कहते हैं. तो रॉक्स से और वाटर से, जो जो घर में यूज होता है नमक ना, सॉल्ट बेसिकली सिंपल सॉल्ट, वो सी वाटर से. जबकि जो रॉक सॉल्ट होते हैं, ब्लैक सॉल्ट होते हैं, सब रॉक्स से निकाले जाते हैं. मतलब मीन्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रॉक्स. चट्टानों में सॉलिड स्टेट में वे रहते हैं एज अ रॉक, मीन्स रॉक की तरह दिखाई देता है. द बी इज वाटर फ्रॉम रिवर वेल ट्रैप पाउंड. पता है वाटर जो एनिमल प्लांट से नहीं मिलता, कहाँ से मिलता है? रिवर, नदियों से, कुओं से ना, तालाबों से, इन सब से में. टैप मीन्स नलों से वाटर मिलता है. नमक सी वाटर और रॉक से मिलता है. ये ऐसे दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं that are not obtained from plants and animals. Short answer questions. Next is in 11th is why should we avoid wastage of food? And enough food is not available for all of us. Answer is food is very costly and poor people cannot afford to eat. Any other reason? It's just that a wastage of food also produces a garbage and lots of other things is there. And I have to tell which of them are herbivorous, carnivorous and omnivorous. Then answer is also given here in the site. And here is given TAC, tac E. This is not tac E, you have to write it from opposite direction. But CAT, cat, rat. Okay, like this. And this is NEH, new. This is not new. This is hen. From bottom you have to read. नीचे से पढ़ना आपको. HEN, hen. Human, goat, frog, wolf, lion, owl ना. तो इसका आंसर भी है. हर्बीवोरस में कौन कौन से हैं? काउ, गोट, hen, ये सब हर्बीवोरस हैं. कार्निवोरस वुल्फ, लायन, फ्रॉग. ओमनिवोरस कैट, रैट, क्रो, ह्यूमन, आंट, आउल, ये सब क्या है? ओमनिवोरस. 13th, why do organisms need food? Right, two reasons. Answer is given also. Food gives energy to do work, to grow, to repair damaged parts, to protect the body against diseases. These are the two things. The main function of food, what you have read in the function of food, that it gives energy to our body and it repairs damaged parts of our body, it protects our body against diseases. The 14 is match the organism given in column first with their parts products in the column second, that is used by human beings as food. Mustard का seed, goat का मीट, hen का eggs, honey bee का honey, plant का fruits and vegetable. Long answers दिया हुआ है. Okay, then that is 15, 16. Two long answers are there. Then let's read it. Read the names of animals written in the inner ring of the figure. Within the second ring, write the type of food they eat and categorize to which they belong. Based on the eating habit, in the outermost ring, one example has been worked out for you. Use red, green, blue colors for writing. Here is given just as a goat. Goat is in the outer ring. आपको लिखना है. It is herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Which category? Of which category? Then goat is of herbivorous category. Here. And it eats grass, leaves, small plants. The next is lion. Lion is a carnivorous. It eats other animals' flesh, as flesh of rabbit, flesh of giraffe, flesh of elephant, flesh of deers, and any animal is lion. Any two you can mention here. Crow eats bread, flesh of animals, and you can write by your own understanding. And crow is which of category? Crow is of herbivorous category. Elephant is herbivorous category, eats lots of things. You have to mention here three. Crocodile is herbivorous or carnivorous or omnivorous? It is carnivorous. Crocodile जो होता है वो carnivorous होता है. It eats flesh of other animals. Three animals name you can mention here. Eagle is also, what is that? Eagle is carnivorous. Then you have to mention that. Next question is here 16. Connect the animal with the food it eats by an arrow using different colors. Figure given below. One is done for you. Buffalo eats grass. Lion eats a goat. Lizard eats insects. Spider also eats insects. Rat eats grains. And snake can eat even rats. Then you have to all these match with the help of arrow, and answer is given. Lion eats goat, lizard eats insects, spider can, because spider is also an insect, rat eats grain, snake can eat rat, and goat grains are grass, and spider eat insects, other small insects. Practice time. In next video we will cover this practice time.